Hello guys. Today I'd like to talk to you about the dimensions, specifically the first, second, and third dimension. I'm going to make this real easy. I've learned this from the great scientist Carl Sagan. Now, the first dimension is just a straight line. There's no height or depth. So it's basically just point A to B. And all they can see is back and forth on one plane. They can't go to side, they can't do anything. Two-dimensional world is just like a cartoon. It's still flat, there's no depth. They could have the illusion of depth, but they would just look like little blocks and creatures and pictures and stuff on a piece of paper. They have no perception of what depth is. So let's say we bring in this bottle of 2-liter soda and we pop it down here. This soda lands into the world of 2 dimensions. Now the 2-dimensional people would only be able to see the dots left behind on this. They'll only be able to see the very bottom slice of the 2-liter bottle. It would just appear to them like 4 dots that appeared out of nowhere. They would have no way to perceive all of the rest of this because they can only think and comprehend in 2 dimensions. So think of that in the same way that if a fourth dimensional object came into our 3-dimensional world, look at all that we wouldn't be able to comprehend. It would be a mystery to us. We couldn't even understand it because we think, live, and have only known 3 dimensions. And personally, I believe if you understand this or believe it or whatnot, that I feel like the supernatural and the afterlife is a mystery beyond what we could possibly understand. And would definitely be more out there, and it could be on the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, whatever dimension. And just like those 4 dots come in to the 2-dimensional world from this gigantic 2-liter soda bottle, maybe things from the 4th dimension cross over to us in ways of psychics' abilities to read into the future, or talk to a loved one from the past, or people seeing ghosts, or people recording EVPs on a recording, electronic voice phenomena, which is catching basically a ghost on a recording. Maybe all those little things are those 4 little dots, in a way, from another dimension. Just something to think about. Please subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I have a lot of entertaining videos on my channel, and it's not just scientific stuff. It's actually mostly crazy, weird stuff. So let's have fun. Subscribe. Bye-bye.